Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight, and like Bank Nifty has given a breakout, so I just came live and I have initiated a buy at this 54,150 support, and right now I'm trailing because it can easily touch this 54,300. This would be my like initial target, and then 54,400 will be possible. It has hunt the liquidity in the downside, and people maybe got stuck in the downside, and in this buying candle I have initiated a buy because Bank Nifty is pretty bullish, and it has made a double top sort of, if it is not going to sustain above 54 to 70 or something, but we can wait because it has given a breakout of 15 minutes, so it may be a sustainable breakout. So I am not bullish for this Nifty has done so much, like 120 is maybe acting as a resistance. So like if you are in Nifty, so I can suggest you go for like trailing and done and dusted with your targets, like 130s maybe acting 140s as a resistance. So meanwhile you can trail your like stop loss in this Bank Nifty, which is giving a beautiful move, and just skip this Nifty today because Nifty is having an expiry. So I am I have already done with this buy side target. Firstly, my first target is already done, which I have initiated in this 54 20 moving average support. Just like yesterday I have initiated a buy for like same scenario is today we have initiated a buy. So let's see what market will be going to give in this beautiful trade. Like it has already like given me somewhere like 100 points in the money if you are traded with the in the money. So if we go with this Nifty, so Nifty is somewhere is stuck maybe due to this expiry, or maybe it will be going to willing to go to 200. So we need to check the reaction at the same time of Bank Nifty today. If Bank Nifty is going to give a sustainable breakout on 15 minute, it has given a breakout. So maybe this move I am expecting in this Bank Nifty, so it can easily go for 54,400, 54,500. This would be possible, and you can trail your stop loss in bank like especially in Nifty because it is a expiry. So I'll just believe I will be going for a like buy on dip in Nifty. If it is giving any sort of dip till then this buyers, so I will be going to activate my trade. Like 26,000 itself is a good support. So if it is taking a buying retracement, then it will be going for upside, then I will be like interested in Nifty. Till then I am already in a buy side in Bank Nifty, so I will be going to trail, and this is a perfect move which we are going to capture in the buy side. So this is I am like it is very much possible it can touch 54,300, and then if it is going to sustain 54,300, so more 100 points will more to go. So I am pretty bullish. I have already told you like it can easily go for 55,000 in this last like 2 weeks. It will be going to rally, especially Bank Nifty, because Nifty has touched like somewhere at the point 26,000 and sustaining at 26,000, which is also a pretty bullish sign for the markets. So don't like looking for a like buy on dip. Every dip is buyable right now. So wherever you will be find any opportunity in the buy side, just go for a buy side. And if you I will be going for a short side in this candles like low, if it is going to sustain below 54,100, because which is acting as a good support. So till then if it is not going to sustain below 54,100, I am already in a long side. I will be making longs only, and I am already in a trailing, so I will be going to book wherever it's going to close. So RSI is already like it is in buying zone, and let's see the RSI of Nifty. Nifty is also is in like buying zone only. So long makes you profitable, I think so. If it is like Nifty, I am not having a concern. I will be, if it is going to give a buying retracement, then it will be more happy for me. If you have done buy scalp in this running candle, so you can book certain quantity, like 50% you need to release, and for this 50% you can trail for this 300 and above targets. So no need to, like, if your trailing SL is done, so just wait for the opportunity. If it is going to sustain above this day high, we will be going for again for a buy, but I am already in a buy. So let's see, I have released 50%, but I believe it can easily go for 54,300. So I'm just trailing, guys. And what about the, like, all the banks? I just give you a review. So if we go with Kotak Bank, so Kotak Bank is making us same setup, which is Banknifty is leading, and SDFC is little more like taking a support or 20 moving average below. ICICI is 21. Like I was planning for a like sailing, but due to Banknifty has recovered from like in a one candle only, so I have taken a buy. But it will be like you have to done and dusted with your targets. If it is not going to sustain 200 below, I will be going to square off my like this, particularly 180 or maybe is the area it has took a support. So 200 is acting as a support right now. If it is going to sustain below 200, so you can take your trailing SL easily. And going I am already in a long, so I will be awaited, like it will be going for a next move in the buy side only, I think so. So, and if we go with this Reliance is doing, Reliance is also at like it has distorted the support, so it will be very risky. Like this will be a like for algo traders, the operators has done their SLs, and now they are taking the liquidity from the downside, or maybe it will be going to recover. But I am not having a concern due to this expiry. So expiry I always used to choose the alternate. So alternate is Banknifty. So this is the reason I have trading in Banknifty right now. And maybe if it is going to make a double, like my trailing SL done, guys. So if it is going to going to breach this 100, so I will be happy to take a short in this side. So both like setup is activated if it is, and the same time Nifty is also like going to give a closing below this 26,100, and Bank Nifty need to give a closing below this. Then a short profit booking we can see in this Bank Nifty easily go for like 54,000, and 54,000 below 53,800 would be possible because everyone is bullish. So maybe this selling will be going to trigger in the second half. Let's see. And today we have a expiry, so this move I'm expected in Bank Nifty. In the selling side, you just mark the label 54,100. Like you can take 54,130 below. This is the selling label. And buy side, if you are already, like I have done the buy side and trailing SL is done, guys. So if it is going to sustain above this candles high again, which is 250 or somewhere, so I will be going to make longs. And this is no trading zone, so no need to bother with this no trading zone. And you need to like both trades will be like selling and profit booking, and buying both can be activated just because of Nifty. If Nifty is not going to make a sustenance at this 26,100, then selling will be going to trigger. If it is going to make itself sustain, then what I have shared with you, my view, which is 54,300 would be possible in Bank Nifty. So accordingly, like RSI, I have already told you, they're just taking their SLs, people's SL. So I will be, this is a mark as a no trade zone. So firstly they have given a put side scalp, then they have given a buy side scalp. Now the real move will be coming very few minutes, so we need to wait for this candle closing below this 54,130. so the selling will be going to trigger, and I will be playing this selling. And till then, if it is going to sustain at 54,200, but SL trailing SL is done, so we have like 50% quantity I have released at this 270, and 50% my trailing SL is done. So I am already in a profit, so I don't want to play with my profit. I will be happy if it is going to give a closing below this 54,130 where it has took a support. Then only I will be think about selling. And the same time, like Nifty is going to sustain below this, so the bias is going to exist at this place, and we will going to see a profit booking sort of, which is not going to trigger till 2 days. So I am awaited for this profit booking, and as per your risk appetite you can play this selling as well. So I'll just remove this trade which I have already done in the buy side. Now we were waiting for this 130 level, just keep an eye on this level and you can play for this selling. So 53,800 I am looking for, so you can book as per your risk appetite. This is the like final target would be, and I think it will be going to give a profit booking sort of. Just wait. Abhi levels still is not giving a closing below this, so selling would be initiated at this, below this only, so we can take a sale. Sort of profit booking I am looking for, because it has tested the low and now it is going to retest this low and buyer is going to exit. Then we will come for a momentum which we will be going to play. Simple and sorted. So mark these level and play with this accordingly, like 54,130 below you can play the selling, and 54,250 above you can play the buy. So both the sides are activated, and still it is no trading zone because it is sustaining at 200 and consolidate. Then buy side move will be expected, and if it is going to give a closing below this, then so both side moves are activated. Let's see, the real move will be coming after 240 somewhere, I think so. So I will be going to play this 240 move. So you just need to note down the levels which will be going to trigger first. You need to do a scalp on that side particularly. So it will be going to, I think, for a retesting for a buy side, or it will be going to give a closing below this, so you can initiate your selling as well. So that's for the day, guys, and love you all and have a happy trading. And do like, share, subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up if you are liking the videos, and do support me because I need your support really, and you are very special for me if you are watching this video till here. So I am expecting a big shares and likes from your side, so give me your support. And till then you can wait for the especially for the zone to give a breakout or breakdown, then only you can initiate your buy or sale. Okay, bye bye, love you all. This is Banknifty signing off. Bye bye.